Okay, here's a few pieces of lower grade Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours. Okay, I've zoomed in a bit so you get a better look at the material. This sort of material just can cut shapes out of that. It's not high grade material, but it's nice patterns. Piece got a little bit of colour potch on there on the outside. A couple of little veins to follow here. Whether that cleans up or not, it's hard to say. Quite often that's where the opal is, or the better opal is in the veins. It's a gamble, do you polish it the way it is, which that'd be a nice little stone. Again, just patterns. Not much in that bit. Don't think that's going to go anywhere. I think that's on the top. Anyway, it is what it is. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.